Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we will try to understand return and exit for program termination. So we already know about return, but in this context, we'll try to understand in a different way. So in our previous classes where we have discussed about break statement, break is a statement which is used to exit from the loop or switch statement. This concept has already been discussed. In order to exit from the loop, it may be for, while or do while loop. In order to exit from those loops and in order to exit from switch statement, we have a statement called break statement. Whenever the break statement executed, it is going to come out of that loop. So this we have already discussed in our previous classes, and now in this class we will try to understand how to exit from the program, from the entire program. So that can be done in two different ways. One of the ways is return statement. Whenever the return statement is getting executed in the main, we are going to come out of the program. Okay, in main, whenever we execute a return, we will come out of the program in main. That you have to understand. But instead of that, instead of not only that return statement executing in the main, we want to exit from the program somewhere else in the program, in some other functions. Let's assume that in some other function, by executing this, we want to come out of that entire program if something goes wrong. So there is a requirement that we need to come out of the program. If particular part of the program is getting executed, means we want that we want to come out of that program. For that to happen, we have a facility called, C is having a facility called exit function. So exit 0, if it is used in this way, we can come out of the program. The entire program will get terminated. The program execution will stop. Let's try to understand this by using an example. The same example we have seen so far. So by using that example, we'll try to understand how the program will get exited, how a program termination will happen by using the exit function. So here we have used, in the sum function we have used exit, and this 0 is for same as that of return 0. Okay, so same as that of return 0, this exit 0 for successful termination. Let's try to compile this. There are no errors and there are no warnings. So let's execute this. So nothing has been printed. Why nothing has been printed? Why nothing has been printed is, whenever this function call is made first time, we are going to come to this, and here the exit will get executed. With exit function, with the execution of the exit function, what happens is we are going to terminate this entire program. We are going to stop the execution of this entire program, and we are going to come out of the program. So this is one of the facility of C programming language, the exit function. There is a use of this exit function in some of the programs. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.